Hi there, Stan Harrelser here. Just going to go ahead and talk a little bit about some of the web work I've done in the past, just to give you a better idea of, what I can be capable of, and maybe if you're interested in any of this work. The first website I'm going to go over is a website for a fundraisers business. This fundraisers is for pizza subs and burrito sales. And basically, this website allows people at various schools to order online for their pizza subs and burritos to support the schools. So basically, instead of the student having to go door to door to find people who want to order pizza subs and burritos, they can just go on this website and order pizza subs and burritos for the school, still support the school without having to wait for a kid to go to their door to go ahead and order. Um, this website was completely customly built. All the login scripts, all of the backend PHP, SQL, shopping cart, it was all 100% custom. So to begin, there's just general register and login pages as normal. And as you can see here, once you log in, now it redirects me back to the home page, and you see how it says Welcome Dan in the top left corner. That's just another script that mandates making sure that you can has the information about you. Then we also have custom options to change, the person's phone number, address, email, password, so on and so forth. And then for a few select people that are logged in, I also have this administration option. And the administration option basically has all the existing schools in the start date, end date, and pickup date form. And then if the current date is between the start date and end date, then you can go ahead and place an order. So placing an order is a matter of just placing, whatever you need for the subs. As you can see, everything's automatically updated in the subtotal. So I'll just fill out some, random things here. Then when I add items, it takes me to the overview of the shopping cart, where you can go ahead and make sure that everything is good. Say I don't want the burritos now, I can X it out and get that taken off the total, so on and so forth. Maybe the pizzas get rid of. And then go ahead and check out, and see it pulls up all my information from my login information, which is just another database pull. It has the recap of what you ordered and then the credit card information. You see, I couldn't save the credit card information in the database because that goes against a lot of privacy rules and things like that. So the database, along with this, basically just saves this type of information. On the back end, there was really, I think this individual website had 4 different databases going with it. Let me go ahead and see. Yeah, 4 different databases. I had a user database, all the users, school database with the different schools, product, prices with it, and then the exact orders. And basically, between these 4 databases, I was able to do basically anything I wanted to as far as storing any kind of information. Because then once people place orders, maybe a year later they want to place another order, then they're allowed to go to their order history and check out, all the orders they made and see exactly what they ordered. So I also had to keep track of all the order history after everything's said and done. The other thing that was kind of more difficult about this in particular website is the fact that there are multiple schools, and schools can only have ordering during certain periods. So like for instance, I have Salina School selected as my school for my login, so I go to my organization. It says there's currently a fundraiser sale at Salina Schools, and it tells the start and end dates and your pickup instructions, all this, and it's completely related to your school. So if you picked Coldwater or St. Henry or whatever it be, if there's no sale coming up or anything like that, if it's not between the start date and end date of the sale, if you try to place an order, it will redirect you and not let you, because obviously you're not allowed to place an order when there's no current sale going on. There was a lot of back-end information for this type of website because of all the, checks and balances of what you can do and what you can't do at certain times. It was 100% customized. I built this basically entirely in JavaScript, PHP. As you can see, there's some jQuery here to make interactive images, things like that. And then the color scheme was picked by the company, and I did some of the graphic design, had some of my fellow friends help me out with a little bit of the front-end graphic design because I'm more of a developer than a graphic artist. However, it's still, as far as I'm concerned, turned out to look, somewhat okay. But that's a good overview of the fundraisers website I built. I'm trying to get about 4 or 5 different videos of different work I've done just to give you a wide example of everything I've done. So hopefully this gave you a good insight of my ability of developing a dynamic website for web-based